strand twists. My client asked his Instagram followers what style he should have, and they all chose this style, 6 strand twists. His hair was washed beforehand. I retwisted it, segregated the partings and made it all neat and lovely, and used 6 pieces of locks to create the 6 strand twists. It looks so neat, it's manageable, easy to deal with, not lots of locks in your face if you know what it's like. And we finished off with our lock oil, handmade by me, to give it that shine and luster. Thank you for watching The House of Shayaa. Like watching locks, natural hairstyles, lock business, salon business, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.